this video, we'll be showing you how to assign a volunteer to a task. There are two different ways to do this. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Reports and then Volunteers. Locate the relevant event from the Select Event drop-down list. Then, from the Manage menu, select Assign Volunteer. A modal window will appear where you can select the registered user you want to assign. Please note that the drop-down list will contain all registered users on your website. Then select the task for that event that you would like to assign them to. Click the Assign button to confirm. The second option is to head to Admin, Events, and then select Tasks for Volunteers from the Event Management menu of the relevant event. Locate the task you want to assign them, and then from the Manage menu, select Assign Volunteer. Choose the user you would like to assign from the drop-down list, and then click Assign to confirm. Please note, only admin and task organisers can assign volunteers to tasks. And because you are already aware that this volunteer has been assigned, no BCC notification email will be sent. And that's it, you have now successfully assigned a volunteer to a task. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.